Are you in a hurry, sir?
Yes, I'm in a hurry.
Well, let me hang up my hat then. Now, you say you're taking a loan out for, and what's the reason again?
Private. Private reason.
Well, we're a bank. We need to know.
Private business reason. I understand you don't know exactly what I need to be going into business for, but I need the money.
Okay, well, we at the bank have very strict reasons for handing out money to people. We just don't give money to anybody, and then we don't give money to a lot of people.
Maybe I didn't introduce you as my full name.
Please introduce me as your full name.
I told you my name was Carl.
That's right.
But I didn't tell you my last name.